Why Sidra miners shouldn't worry about the open mainnet. Everything is on track. Welcome back to Satoshi Guy. Today, I want to speak directly to every Sidra miner who has been feeling uncertain or impatient about when the open mainnet will finally launch. Let me tell you this clearly, there is absolutely nothing to worry about. The testing phase is moving exactly the way a serious, long-term blockchain project should. In fact, Sidra is in one of the strongest positions it has ever been in. Many projects rush into mainnet just to create hype, but they collapse later because things weren't properly tested. Sidra is doing the opposite. They're building a foundation that can't be shaken, a network that can shift to full mainnet whenever the team decides, because the systems already work. And that is what sets Sidra apart. Right now, the testing environment is running smoothly. Transactions, smart contracts, block production, wallet functions, these are not theoretical anymore. They're being tested in real conditions with real users. Whenever you see a blockchain performing consistently during its testnet, it means one thing: the mainnet is near, not delayed, near. Sidra's developers are not just testing surface-level functions, they are testing security layers, optimizing performance, adjusting protocol mechanics, and ensuring network stability under different conditions. This is the phase where any issues are fixed before they ever reach the mainnet. Once these systems pass the final checks, everything can be pushed to mainnet instantly. And here's the part miners often forget. Smart contracts, applications, and new systems do not need to wait months after mainnet launch. Sidra uses an architecture that allows all of this to be deployed immediately once testing is complete. That means decentralized apps, DeFi tools, token systems, and external integrations can go live almost instantly. This is the level of readiness you want before the switch flips. Think about it. The Sidra team is clearly confident. They are giving miners consistent updates, launching new features inside the ecosystem, and allowing more tools to be tested publicly. If a project were stuck, you would see silence. But Sidra is active, very active. That is the clearest sign that mainnet preparations are in their final stage. The reason the team isn't rushing is simple. Once you launch open mainnet, there is no going back. A mistake at that stage is permanent. So any responsible blockchain ensures that every code, every connection, and every function has been validated. Sidra wants a mainnet that works perfectly on day one, without bugs, without crashes, without emergency fixes. That's why this phase is so important. For miners, patience during this stage is actually an advantage. While the testing continues, you're still mining, still stacking future value, still building your position before the ecosystem opens to the world. When the mainnet goes live, the ones who stayed patient will be the biggest winners. Another reason not to worry is that Sidra has already demonstrated that they can implement upgrades quickly. Their testing environment has shown smooth deployments, smooth patches, smooth updates. That tells you one thing: the infrastructure is ready, not getting ready, ready. So if you're a miner feeling anxious, take a breath. This is exactly how professional blockchains mature. Sidra has no technical barrier stopping the open mainnet. The moment the team decides the ecosystem is polished enough, the switch can be turned on. Everything you see right now, the stable testnet, the working features, the upcoming tools, proves that the project is in a healthy state. In simple terms, Sidra is not delayed. Sidra is maturing, and when the mainnet opens, it will open strong. So stay focused, stay patient, and stay confident. You are early. You are mining during the most important stage. And when Sidra transitions to open mainnet, the entire ecosystem will be